Hello everyone, here is an algebra problem which says a square plus b square equals 20 and a times b equals 8. Then here is our task which says find a plus b square. Let's solve it together step by step. Our solution. The first thing is, let's understand what this question is about. We're given two pieces of information. The first one is a square plus b square, which is equal to 20. This tells us that when we square a and square b, then we add the result together, we will get 20. The second piece of information is AB equals 8, meaning A times B equals 8. Let's note that the task before us here is not asking us to find A or B individually. Instead, it asks us to find A plus B square. So our goal is to calculate this expression directly. The next thing is, let's recall an important formula. Whenever you see a question involving a square plus b square, a times b, and a plus b square, then there is a famous algebra identity that connects them. The identity that connects them has a formula, and the formula is a plus b times a plus b, that is a plus b square, which will give us a square plus 2ab plus b square. By the time you expand this, you realize this. This is one of the most important formulas in algebra. The next thing is, let's substitute the given values. We already know that a square plus b square equals 20 and a times b equals 8. Now let's substitute this into the formula. The formula: a square plus 2ab plus b square has three parts. The first part is a square, the second part is 2ab, and the third part is b square. Let's replace each part one at a time. Let's rearrange this. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This and this are the same thing. That is first part, second part, and third part. You can also rearrange it any way you like. Now let's replace a square plus b square. That means we are combining two parts together. The question already says a square plus b square equals 20. Instead of us writing a square plus b square, we will simply write 20. That is a square plus b square equals 20 plus 2ab. Now these are formula. Our formula becomes 20 plus 2ab. The next thing is, let's replace ab. The question already tells us that AB equals 8. 2AB equals 2 times 8. Now let's put everything together, which is 20 plus 2 times 8. So 20 plus 2 times 8 will give us 16. 20 plus 16 equals 36. Therefore, our a plus b square equals 36. Now let's verify if this solution is correct. Let's verify. Our solution again says a plus b square equals 36. Let's think of a number that when you square it, you get 36. That is 6 squared equals 36. Also, let's think of two numbers that by the time you add the two numbers up, you get 6. So let's pick 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now let's check our first equation, which says a square plus b square equals 20, where a equals 2 and b equals 4. So we have it as 2 square plus 4 square. 2 square means 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 4 square, 4 times 4, which is 16. 4 plus 16 equals 20. On the left side, we got 20, and on the right side, 20 was given to us our result. That means our solution is correct, which means a plus b square equals 36. But by the time you use the other number, that when you add them up, you get 6. At the end of the day, you not get the result the equation gave us. Let's check it out. Let's say 1 plus 5 equals 6, where a equals 1 and b equals 5. Let's check it using our first equation, which says a square plus b square equals 20, where a equals 1. So we have that 1 square plus our b equals 5. 5 square, 1 square is 1 plus 5 square is 25. 1 plus 25 will give us 26. Can you see that the result on the left side does not match with the result on the right side? So a plus b square equals 36. Thank you for watching.